Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Saturday and it's laundry day for me. And so today I'm going to be showing you guys how much it costs to do laundry here in Canada. So if you live in an apartment building like I do, then you have to pay to use the washing machine and the dryers that are provided by the building. Or even if you go to a laundromat, same thing, you have to pay. Okay, so today I'll show you guys how much it costs to do one full load, like to wash and to dry. Okay, and me telling the people it's way different from where I grew up in Jamaica, because Saturday you just go to the pipe side, grab your bat and your bucket and your half a block, you know what I mean, and you soap and you start to wash. But guys, it's not so. Okay, things and time have changed definitely. Today is Saturday and I'm going to try to do some laundry. I have lots of laundry. My whole bed needs to be changed, and I have lots of sheets to wash and stuff like that, plus everybody else's clothes. So yeah, let's do some laundry. So this is the kids' laundry. It's overflowing. Too much. So I'm just stripping the bed of all the sheets and pillowcases because I'm gonna be doing laundry and washing all of these things. Also my nightstand. I don't know about nobody else, but for some reason overnight my nightstand always full of stuff, very crowded, full of juice box and tissue and everything else. Oh yes guys, Saturday morning breakfast, some real nice fried dumpling by Mr. Bailey, because I know me fried. There's a fried dumpling on my grill. See that? We're Jamaican. Hmm? Mickey, you want something? What do you want? I'm also gonna be taking my curtains down in the living room and washing them because they're so dirty. I don't know what the kids do when they're out here, but yeah. So guys, we're taking the elevator to go down. As you can see, I have the linen in these big bags because I don't have what to bring it in. So Mickey is putting her clothes in. Good job, Mickey. Good girl. You put your laundry in? Okay. And we'll start put the boys one in. They have a lot of clothes because of school.
I got pictures where for school.
Oh yeah, you do.
Yeah, I put on my birthday.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's just the machine, Mickey.
Oh.
Okay, that one seems full. So, you can close that one. This is my carpet. It's so dirty, so I'm just gonna spray some stain remover on the spot, which is pretty much everywhere. Before I wash it, and put some bleach on it as well.
No more bleach.
Don't have it eyes now. It's so loud. My advice is don't get white for anything when you have kids, okay? Okay, so this machine here is what you use to load your laundry cart. So you put it in, it will show you that I only have $3 balance. So now I have to like insert my bank card. Okay, and then it's gonna say Continue? Yeah. Yes. Normally I load $25 each time, okay? So then you put your pin in and you wait. You say successful. So now you can remove your bank card, and then it will show you your balance, your new balance on the card, okay? And you can just remove your card. Okay, Mickey wants to put her soap in. So, go ahead, Mickey. I put my soap directly on my clothes. Put it all the way to the back, Mickey. Okay, Mickey, leave some, leave some, leave some. Oh, okay. You put everything in. Okay, we're gonna close it. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Good job. So this machine comes with this little compartment here that you put your soap, your fabric softener and stuff like that, and in different, it says it there, okay? So I put a little bit in there, and then I put some directly on the clothes. Okay, so your clothes smell good. So I'm doing like 8 loads of laundry here today, and this is just for the kids and the linen, but it's a lot because I only wash like once a week, or sometime it could 2 weeks, depend on how I feel, because if I'm not feeling too good, then I don't do it. So now to wash your to wash your clothes, you're gonna put this in. It's $2.75 for a load. I'm gonna press start. Okay, so I took the money, and that's 30 minutes wash. Okay.
Now I pass it back to you. You pass it to me.
So guys, over here are the dryers, and you can see it's $2.50 to dry. So let's look at my balance after I put in 8 loads of clothes. When I put this in, it's gonna show me my balance. $6. Okay, so my balance is $6. So guess what? I will have to load my card again to dry. Okay, so what I do is before I leave, I make sure that all my machines are spinning, because sometimes you leave and the machine is not working, so you come back, your clothes is not washed, right? So I just make sure that all of them are spinning. Why this one not going? Okay, there. Alright. So guys, as you can see, to do laundry, it's expensive as well, right? Because here in this building, it's $2.75 for one load to wash, and then $2.50 to dry. So that's a one on. Watch me, I do maths. So $5.25 for one complete load, wash and dry, right? And I'm doing 8 loads, and it's just the kids and linen, just like sheet and towel me I do right now. I'm not doing my laundry or my husband's laundry. 8 load for today is too much. So tomorrow I'll just do ours, but that's it. Whew. So guys, I'm gonna try eat 2 of them dumpling here for my breakfast, and I already had some tea, so I'm gonna drink some juice with it. Oh, yeah. Breakfast look nice, just need 2 look of fried plantain. Okay.
I see. I see it. I see some white on the screen.
Fried dumpling, them taste really good.
Sorry about that. I couldn't move the cup.
Want dumpling, Mickey? Okay guys, so the laundry just takes 30 minutes to wash, so I'm back and I'm gonna be putting in all my clothes into a dryer now. Okay, I have to load the cart as well, but I'll just free up the machines and stuff, because one thing I hate about sharing a laundry room with everybody in the building is that if they come and they want to use the machine and your clothes is in it, they will take it out and like, look at this, throw it on top, you know, your clean laundry if they need it. So me, I try to come back exactly the 30 minutes to take out my clothes so that nobody is like touching my clothes or taking them out, you know, because you get upset, right? And you don't know who did it, right? So I'm gonna do that now. So I'm trying to single out my sheets and my towels so that they dry properly, because one of the worst thing is to come back down here and your clothes is not dry properly and you have to pay to dry that same load again. Okay, this is money we're talking about. So guys, I'm going to load my card a second time, see what's left on there. $6 and it's $2.50. I'm a little bit out of breath because I just took out 8 load of laundry, put it in the dryer. Oh, let me catch my breath. Okay, so $6 is my balance, so I have to add more money because it's $2.50 to dry one load. Okay, so I'm just going to load up again, because if you try to put too much money on the card one time, for some reason it rejects it. You put in your pin, you press OK, and then you just wait. Oh Lord, thank God it's successful. Ooh, lot of mercy. Okay, there. And now let's see, my new balance is $31. Okay, good. So we can close them to dry now. Okay. So you put your thing here. So let me take out it. So here you set the $2.50, guys. Okay. Let me just put it on high to make sure my clothes them dry. Okay. I have one load up top. Oh, what's happening? Oh, it look like this dryer now working on. Sometimes the dryers aren't, the machines are not working. Oh my God, this machine is not working. It means I have to go take out my clothes then and put it in a different machine. So guys, I have 2 machines that is not working. So I'm gonna have to take the clothes back out of the machine. My God. Okay guys, so that was hard work, and as you can see, some of the machines weren't working. Give me double work. I had to take it out, blah blah blah, change the machine. And what's left on my card now is $13.50. And remember, I have more clothes for tomorrow, because today's just the kids and sheet and towel, linen stuff, right? So the cost for laundry, right? So if you don't have money to wash your clothes, what do you think is going to happen? You're gonna go to work in dirty clothes, right? And it's just the reality. That's stuff, but Or you wash them out and so I hang them up in your bathroom. It's not like Jamaica. You can, even if you have a washing machine in Jamaica, because I grew up washing it with my hand. But even if you have a washing machine and you wash, yes, you have to pay the light bill, you know. You can hang your clothes out in the sun to dry. Like, look outside, look on that nice sunshine over there. So, but if you hang out anything out there, it will be frozen as much as the sun is shining. Oh my goodness, look what's coming from under my bed. Too much. So my husband is just helping me to sweep. He swept all the rooms out and living room, kitchen, everywhere and wipe it, which is a big help. And now I'm just changing my curtains from the purple to red because it's Christmas. I'm just gonna put a red in other place and thing. And then I'm gonna make my bed. You know, because the I washed some of these sheets this morning, like this fitted one and stuff like that. And we're gonna make the bed now, fix up the place, make the place look nice, and the place look like Christmas. Yeah, give myself a little Christmas feelings in the bedroom here. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm going to try to fold some of the laundry. I'm just doing the towels and the sheet. I won't be able to fold the kids' clothes today, to tell the honest truth. That will be tomorrow. Okay. Mickey says she helping to fold. You helping to fold, Mickey? Good job. Mickey, why are you crying, Mickey? So I'm gonna change out my purple flowers because I took off the purple sheet and everything, and try to wash out my vase, get some nice clean water in it. And even though my flowers is not alive, but it's just it looks nicer with water in the vase. And I got these flowers at the dollar store. I think they were $3 or $4 each. Yeah, so not too expensive. And some get the little gold there for going at it. Make I'll just pretty up the thing as so. Yes, so that's how it's looking. Okay, so I tried to do a little something in my room for the holiday. Change my curtains then. So yes, that's how my room is looking. And I know I'm gonna sleep very good tonight because that is sweep out under the bed and wipe it out. You know them Jamaican cleaning there? Yes, it gave the house one of that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.